So name of the chapter is what? Arithmetic progression. So name of the chapter is arithmetic progression. See, progression means increase or decrease in equal manner. That is called progression. Right? For example, see. Here the numbers are written, right? So in 1 we have, if we add 1 in 1, then it will be 2. Then if we add 2 in 1 in 2, then it will be 3. Then increase the numbers by 1 1. You will get this series, right? Afterwards, in similar manner, if we add 2 2, then we will get this, right? Afterwards, here also, again if we add 2 2, we will get this, right? So similarly, see what will happen here if you subtract second term from the first term, right? Or first term from the second term, right? Then second term from the third term, then third term from the fourth term. Your difference will be equal. See, 2 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Similarly, in this series also, sequence also, 4 minus 2 is 6 minus 4 is, right? Similarly, here also, right? So we can write it in difference of 3 also, 3, 6, 9 like that, okay? Or else it can be another type of difference also, right? 7, 7, 8, 8 like that, okay? So when your common difference is equal, when the common difference is equal, means subtraction of two consecutive terms is equal for every number, right? Such sequence is called your arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Understood? Yes or no? Then bolo. What happened? चश्मे पहनो, नंबर है अपने को, हाँ? चल. Now see what to do next. So from this we can understand this is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term, and we can get n terms from this, right? We can get how many terms? N terms from this. Chal. So till nth term we can get, means in that nth term as many terms as you want you can get. Okay. Now this first term is always shown as A. Always shown as A. Second term is shown as A1, but right now we don't need that. Whenever we will be needing that, I will tell you what to do, right? Okay. So how can you find that this progression which is given or this series which is given is an arithmetic progression? So if difference of second term and first term, A2 minus A1, difference means subtraction, right, is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3, like that it will be increased, right? So therefore if they are equal, then it is an arithmetic progression, right? And this common difference from second, this one A2 minus A1 is called D, and it is called common difference. It is called common difference. It is called common difference. Now, if you want to find nth term of an arithmetic progression, nth term of an arithmetic progression. That nth term is called an. That nth term is called an. Formula to find an is this: an is equal to n minus 1 into d. Now we need to note this, right? So what is your an? An is nth term of an arithmetic progression. An is nth term. A, that is first term. That is first term, right? N is number of term. Number of term means first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, like that. Number of term. Done. What happened? Who sent? It is done by me, beta. What I am saying, you go to Nargis ma'am if she has done or not. Go. Number of term means which number? First term, second term, third term, 50th term, 59th term, like that. Okay, understood? And last is D, that is called common difference, and that is A2 minus A1. Understood? Yes or no? Now, if you want to find sum of n terms, that sum is called Sn. That sum is called Sn. Sn formula is like that: n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? All notations are same except you have one new notation, that is called Sn, that is sum of n terms. Sum of n terms, right? Now this formula can be written like this also: Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus an, and similarly in place of an you can write L. An means nth term, L means last term. So in some cases an and L are always equal. So Sn will be equal to n by 2 a plus L. But this much you have to remember for this chapter. This is your introduction, right? Then this L is last term. Understood? What to remember? This much in this chapter you need to remember. First exercise is to find common difference, 4 terms, 5 terms of an arithmetic progression. If any sequence is given, it is arithmetic progression or not, right? Second exercise is based on this equation, uses of this equation, and third exercise is based on uses of this equation. This much you need to remember. 8 or 10 marks chapter for every type of maths, right? Basic and standard both. Understood? Yes. What? क्या नहीं आया समझ में? हैं? Just remember the formulas, Taran. Okay? No need to under. Write first term and common difference, right? So now we need to write first term and common difference both. So first term is already directly we can see which is the first term, 3 by 2. Now common difference is second term minus first term, So D is equal to, what will happen? 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Right? So that is 1 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. This is your answer. Done. Sum complete. Understood what to do? Next. Which of the following numbers of an arithmetic progression means which sum of the numbers sequence of the numbers form an arithmetic progression? Means here the sequence is been given, you need to check if it is forming an arithmetic progression or not. Afterwards, if they form an arithmetic progression, means if it is forming arithmetic progression, then what to do? Find next two terms. Find next two terms. So again, see first what is given. This is your example 2. First, 4, 10, 16. So now we want to check if it is an arithmetic progression or not. Means we need to subtract consecutive terms. If the subtraction or difference is equal, then and then it is arithmetic progression. Otherwise, not. So first, what will we do? We will do A2 minus A1, that is 10 minus 4, and that is 6. Again A3 minus A2, 16 minus 10, that is also equal to 6. Again A4 minus A3, that is equal to 22 minus 16, that is also equal to 6. Therefore, what we can write? A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. What to write? It is arithmetic progression. Done? Yes or no? Now, they are asking that if it is an arithmetic progression, write next two terms. So, what is the common difference? 6. No, add 6, 6. Right? So, what will happen? Therefore, AP is equal to 4, 10, 16, 22. Now add 6 in 22. What will be the answer? Then again, that will be your next two terms. Which two terms will be your next two terms? These two. Understood? Say yes or no? Okay. Next. Second one. 1 minus 1 minus 3. What to do? See, we need to check if it is an arithmetic progression or not. If it is an arithmetic progression, write next two terms. So, to check if it is an arithmetic progression or not, what we need to do? Subtract consecutive terms. So, first what will we do? A2 minus A1. So, minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 2. Right? Again A3 minus A2, that is again minus 3 minus minus 1. Why 2 times minus? Okay, don't forget. Minus minus plus 1, that is also minus 2. Again same situation, both are same. Third one, A4 minus A3, minus 5 minus minus 3. Why 2 minuses are there, Muhammad? Another one. Very good. Minus. Now all differences are same or not? So if all differences are same, then what we can write? Therefore, A4 minus A3 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. Therefore, this is an AP. This is an AP. Now we need to find next two terms. So how can we write? AP minus 1, 1. Is it like that? 1 minus 1. Okay. One minus 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 7 minus 9. Understood what to do? right? Okay, remaining 2 you will do by yourself. You need to check if it is an arithmetic progression or not, right? If it is there, then find next 2 term. Otherwise, if it is not there, then leave the sum as it is. After finding a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3. If they are not equal, see, happy birthday. See, a3 minus a, if a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2 are not equal, then don't find a4 minus a3. You don't need to go forward. For example, if you find a2 minus a1 and the answer comes 2, then after you will find a3 minus a2 and answer comes 1. So in the second case only you are able to know that they are not equal. So no need to find the third one, a4 minus a3, because right in the first 2 subtractions you got your answer that they are not equal. Then no need to find third one, because directly common difference won't be same. Understood? Okay, so ऐसा नहीं कि in every sum sir is doing that, so you also have to do that. No, I did because difference was same, right? If difference doesn't come equal, no, then don't do. Understood everyone? Yes or no? अब भाई तेरे को देख के मेरे को नींद आ रही है सुबह सुबह में यार, उबास या ले रहा है. चल, see now what to do? Exercise 5.1. First question. What is given? In which of the following situation does the list of the numbers involved make an arithmetic progression? Right? Here some list of numbers or some list of the sums is been given to you. You need to check if it is an arithmetic progression or not. First, a taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for first kilometer and then 8 for each additional kilometer. Is it an arithmetic progression? See, fixed fare is been given. How much? So your first term is been. Then after each kilometer they are saying that, what are they saying? 8 kilometer is increased after each kilometer, right? So 15 plus 8 is, then 23 plus 8 is, then check if it is an arithmetic progression or not. Is it an arithmetic progression? Yes. So answer will be yes. Write yes beside your question here in the textbook. Then next, the amount of air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder. Now see, this is very important to understand. Huh? Come fast, beta. Happy birthday. Okay. See, this is your cylinder, right? Now the cylinder is filled up with the air. Fill up with the air. Now 1/4 of the air should be removed. 1/4 of the air should be removed. Okay. So here in this case, what we need to do? This is the, we need to convert this into 4 equal parts. Right? So from this we need to take one part, remove this. Now what will happen? This much is remaining. So now from this we need to make 4 equal parts. Now remove this first one, air, right? Again the third one is like that. So in every case, are this part equal? Are this part equal? In every case, no. So difference will be equal or not? Not equal. So will it be an arithmetic progression or not? Not an arithmetic progression. So answer will be no. Next, the cost of digging the well after meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Is it an arithmetic progression? For first meter it is 150, and after for every meter it is increased 50 rupees. So for first meter it is 150. After that it will be 200. After say third meter 250. Like that. So is it an arithmetic progression? Yes. So your answer will be yes. Last one. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. 8% per annum. Now this is very important. See, which interest is there? Compound interest. What is the meaning of compound interest? Can anyone tell me? SS lecture is there, no? Chalo. What is the meaning of compound interest? Acha, what is the meaning of simple interest? Anyone knows what is interest? Sir, we have interest in dance. What is the meaning of interest? Amir, loudly. वो तो तू ट्रांसलेट कर रहा है बेटा. यस माज. हाँ, तो वो तो प्रॉफिट भी हो सकता है ना, इंटरेस्ट थोड़ी हुआ. हाँ, चलो सी. नाउ आई विल मेक यू लर्न both kind of differences, right? Means interest. See, first is simple interest. First is simple interest, and second is compound interest. Now we will take an example, right? Fahad and Muhammad, right? Fahad needs money and Muhammad wants to give money, right? ऐसा करना नहीं है. हाँ भाई, चलो देखो, I am just giving you an example. Now Fahad needs 10,000 rupees. How much? Fahad needs 10,000 rupees. He goes to Fahad and he tells Muhammad and tells Muhammad that I want 10,000 rupees. So Muhammad will tell that I will take 10% interest from you. I will take 10% interest from you every month. I will take 10% interest from you every month on this amount only. He is giving money at simple interest. So now what will happen? See, first month, what will happen? 10% of 10,000 is 1,000 rupees. How much? So in this 10,000, he have to add 1,000 rupees, and then afterwards, right, it will become 11,000. Right? Again, Fahad skip first month. So again 10% interest will increase. What will happen? Right? Again 10,000 rupees plus. See, that 1,000 rupees which was increased, and this 1,000 rupees which was increased. Right? So this 11,000 will become 12,000. Again this will become 13,000. Like that it will be increased every month, 1,000 rupees. Right? So you can check the difference. Right? What is the difference between second term and first term? 1,000. Third term and second term? 1,000. Right? So whenever the money is given at simple interest, no, it will form your arithmetic progression. Now check the second one. Now the money which anyone is giving, means Muhammad is giving to Fahad, no, this is called principal. This is called principal, right? So means in simple interest, principal amount is always same. Principal amount is always same. Now the second case, compound interest. Now same amount we will decide. 10,000, rate of interest is 10%, right? So first month it will become, see how much, 1,000 rupees will be increased and it will become 11,000. Now if Fahad skips again, right, first installment he skips again, then what will happen? Then one thing will happen, this will be counted as principal, this will be counted as principal, and on that 10% interest will be counted. So this 11,000, 10% is 1100, and afterwards this 1100 will be added here. Understood? Yes or no? Now if he skips for the third time also, then what will happen? 10% of this amount will be counted, that will become 1210, and it will be added here. Similarly, if he skips again, same 10% of this amount will be, and this will become how much? You can add how much? 1331 in this. So now check, is it an arithmetic progression? This is your 11,000, after 12,100 subtract, difference is same or not? Not same. So whenever amount is given at compound interest, it is not an arithmetic progression. Understood? So in this case also money is given at compound interest, so therefore it won't form arithmetic progression. So answer will be no. Now you understand the concept of simple interest and compound interest. In simple interest, principal will always be same, but in compound interest what will happen is you skip the first term, second term, third term, then the which interest amount will become your principal, and on that the interest will be charged, right? So banks and every other finance companies do this compound interest. Why? Because they want to earn more money. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, done everyone? Any doubt? So fourth answer will be no. Now question number 2. Question number 2. What is asked in question number 2? Write first term of the arithmetic progression when the, write first 4 terms of an arithmetic progression when the first term and common difference D are given. So first term is given A, that is 10. Common difference is also given, that is D, that is also equal to 10. So first term will be 10. Then add the common difference. So 10 plus 10, 20. Then 30. Then done. Complete. Understood? Second one. What is given? Minus 2, and D is equal to, so this is your minus 2 A, and D is equal to 0. Therefore minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, done. Difference is not there, no, 0. So every term will be minus 2 only. Third one you will do by yourself. Fourth one, A minus 1, D half. D half. So first term will be minus 1. Minus 1 plus half. Minus 1.5. Then check. Right? Minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2, that is minus 1 by 2, and that is minus 0.5. Minus half will be your answer. Okay, done. Then again minus 1 by 2 plus half, that will be your 0, then 0.5, then 1. In place of 0.5 you can write half, 1 by 2. Understood? Yes or no? Just say yes or no or something. Sleeping with the open eyes. Chalo, next. 5. A minus 1.5 and D 1.25, sorry. Minus 0.25. What to do? So A, first term will be minus 1 point. चलो second term minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Him इधर. Then right minus 2.00. Understood? Yes or no? Continuously it can go. Understood what to do? Say yes or no. Very easy questions are there. Question number 3, sum number 1. See the title what is given. For the arithmetic progressions, write the first term and the common difference. First arithmetic progression that is given is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So first term will be 3 and common difference will be 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Done. Sum complete. Understood? Yes or no? Second. What is given in the second one? Minus 5, minus 1, 3. What is your A? Minus 5. D? Minus 5 minus 1. Minus plus. So minus 5 minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 is so in all the sums you need to do that only, right? Third and fourth you will do by yourself. Okay? Fourth one, that is also very easy to do. What to do? Write the following arithmetic progressions if they form an arithmetic progression. Find the common difference and write 3 more terms. You need to find common difference and then write 3 more terms. So you need to check if the second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, are they equal? If they are equal, then they will form an arithmetic progression. And afterwards, if you subtracted and they are equal, that is your common difference only. For example, see the first one. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. They are not equal, not an arithmetic progression. Done. Leave the sum. Second one, 5 by 2 minus 2, that is 1 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2, that is also 1 by 2. Right? Here, say 1 by 2 minus 3, that is also 1 by 2. So, common difference is same, right? This is an arithmetic progression. And that common difference is your D only. Understood? So, from adding D, you will get your next 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, as many terms they are asked. Understood what to do? Write for, see, do first 8 only. No need to do others. Okay? You will understand what to do afterwards.